Let's see if we can get a shave and a haircut. Not a lot of conductors do that. Or engineers do that, correction.
The sun is perfect right now. We're blocked by the signal.
There goes the crossing. You old millennials better hurry. As in bad condition as that DC-44 is, it still has a good horn on it. They coupled up to some new cars, didn't they? There's the old N&W. What? Oh, yeah. Pretty fresh, but already has graffiti on it. There's a new grain, I think. That's also somewhat new. Yeah, I noticed that. That's good. I see the last car down there. What?
I'm following it. I've done walks on 150 car train. I'm not walking.
Maybe you should say that on video.
They'll never know.
Yeah.
Older.
Yeah.
I don't think they're gonna.
Yeah, they're braking. The worst thing you want to do is crawl under it. Crawl over, it'd be better. Yeah.
These bonds would be better to crawl over. Because they have a little area you can walk.
Is it raining? Yo, Carrie, hit the gritty. Oh my God, he hit the gritty, guys. The engineer on this train was really nice. That's probably coming from my Kernersville Omnisource. Dude, CMC, Christian McCaffrey.